Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Medico-legal autopsy. Medico-legal autopsy is conducted by a forensic expert or medical officer at the public hospital. It is done to know the cause of death, time of death, manner of death, and to know the weapons used and type of poison consumed. It is conducted in all medico legal cases. Consent of attenders is not required in medico legal autopsy. Requisition is done by the investigating officer. After medico-legal autopsy, the or post-mortem, the body is handed over to the police and not to the attenders.
thank you and thank you for watching.